Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power to remove transient faults. Unplug your Xbox, any chargers, and the power strip for a full 60 seconds. While it's off, check the power cable and the console's port for frayed wires, bent pins, or visible dust that can short connections. Once done, relocate the console to a ventilated surface. Overheating often causes shutdowns, so make sure there's at least a few inches of clearance on all sides. Next, you deal with software and heat management. Boot into low power or safe mode and apply any pending system updates, because firmware bugs can trigger shutdowns. Then inspect cooling. Use compressed air to clear vents and listen to the exhaust fan. If it wobbles or grinds, it could cut power under load. Also disconnect all external drives and accessories. A faulty peripheral can create power spikes. After these steps, reboot and observe whether the console still powers off. For final remediation, isolate the power source. Try a known good OEM power supply and plug into a different outlet or circuit to rule out electrical issues. If software remains suspect, back up your game saves to the cloud or USB, then perform a factory reset to eliminate corrupt system data. If the console continues to shut down, record any error codes or patterns of behavior. That information speeds warranty repair or support diagnostics. Contact support with those specifics.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.